You clicked on this video, so you're either looking to get started with lead magnets or you're already doing it and you're just looking for a way how to get better at it. Well, good news for you, because in this video, I'm gonna show you both scenarios. So without further ado, let's get started, guys. So in this workshop, guys, there are two main things that we will be doing together. So the first one is that instead of most workshops, what they give you a lot of information. But in our case, we're just gonna give you the information first and then we build together. Because sure, it's great to understand how these lead magnets work, what you can get out of it and stuff like that. But I really believe that if you don't leave with deliverables and actually work done, then it's just a waste of time, right? You're just listening to a nice seminar. So not just that, like the second thing, and this is the most important one, you will leave with a lead magnet ready to be posted. Ideally, you do this in the next 24 hours to see how fast it can work. And at the same time, you have the ultimate toolkit to keep doing this strategy over and over and over and over again, because this is a strategy that the more you do it, the better you get at it. How can I say that? Well, in the last few weeks, with this strategy alone, as you can see, we've collected a lot of money. So at the left side, what you can see here, we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 4K, 1.5K is 6K MRR with these lead magnets alone. And at the same time, on the back end, we made like 7.5K from upsell. So the good news with this strategy is that, and I'm showing you more of an example in a second, but people always say like, oh yeah, it's just likes, it's just impressions. I will disagree with that, because if you have the right system behind it, the right offer to sell, these lead magnets you can literally turn into a lot of money. So as you can see here, we have 6K of MRR added and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 or 8 even. 8. So I think out of my head, it's like 12K in just like cash up front. So we made 12K up front. We have added 6K MRR. And at the same time, we had a pay in full here of almost 7.5K. So all in all, in the last few weeks, these lead magnets alone have made over 25K. Well, that's great money, right? Because it's just coming in from virality, adding cash and clients in the bank. So that's me. But you might say like, okay, Jesse, it might work for you because you have a big audience. You've been on LinkedIn for quite a while. But let me show you an example. So there's others like you. So this is one of our guys, Mark. And as you can see here, he cracked the lead magnet code. So not only just he tested a few, he tested 12. 4 of them got 1,000 comments, a few medium. He also said like, yo, I had a few that kind of tanked. And I was experimenting with images here, not recommended. So of course he talks here about like just getting comments, getting views, getting that virality, right? So one of our other clients, Julius here, he asked a question that you perhaps might have, right? Like, okay, cool, but how many deals, how many leads, and how many deals did you close from these lead magnets? And Mark is like, okay, cool, I closed 50 leads, or I got 50 leads, and I closed 2 deals. Well, in Mark's case, he sells a 2K offer. A 2K offer times 2, well, that's not a hard equation, that's 4K, just from one lead magnet. Imagine you have one lead magnet that you do every week, right? You start adding these people. One, you fill your pipeline, and at the same time, you close these deals. So that's how fast and how easy this can go. So in this system together, guys, like in this workshop next week on Tuesday, we're gonna go over three pillars. So the first part here is that we go ideation. So I will do a few things. First of all, I will give you access to our private viral database with a bunch of viral lead magnets that you can use to be inspired from or rebuild. That's one. The other thing, I'm going to give you a prompt. We're going to give you an AI workflow that you can use to generate endless ideas for your offer, your business, and all the things that you do, right? So ideation is key. Then in the second part here, we go over creation. So we're going to use, again, AI workflow to help you create this post, right? The lead magnet post, like the hook, the middle section, a little bit of proof, and the call to action, right? These lead magnets posts where you see a great hook, comment X to get Y. Well, that's what we're going to build here. And then in the last part, and this is super, super, super important from these lead magnets, we're going to add a visual element. So don't click away that if you're like, oh, fuck, I'm not a designer. Don't worry. We have another AI workflow which you're giving you access to. So if you've seen some of my lead magnets that have gone viral on LinkedIn, I always have these AI generated images. So I'm going to give you access to a few different workflows. We're going to use Nano Banana. We're going to use ChatGPT, obviously. We have some work done with Claude as well. I'm just going to show you the different workflows that we have, and I'm also going to give you access to that in the whole toolkit, right? Because sure, I can teach you and show you once how to build this one lead magnet, but what I want to do with this workshop, I want to show you. We're going to execute together on the call. You leave the workshop with a lead magnet, but at the same time, you have the blueprint to keep doing this over and over and over again. And as you can see here, just like Mark, when you start putting in these results, you start booking deals. You start getting clients, booking calls, getting more leads, and stuff like that. So this is a very simple structure. So yes, in the workshop, I'm going to go over a little bit of education because I have to explain a few things, but we're very much focusing on execution. Stuff that I love, because sure, it's great to get information, but if that's all, we're not going to really get ahead, right? So in this workshop, guys, not only am I giving you access to the toolkit, which alone is more than $1,000 in value, at the same time, in this live workshop, you have the space to ask me one-on-one about your lead magnets. You have the space to, we have some hot seats available as well. We just make it a very nice few hour-long session where we just build things together. And based on the results we've seen with clients that have executed this, they see like a 10x ROI, right? So this is not just something that you do once. Like if you look at my strategy, or even if you will just go to LinkedIn and you go to Mark's profile, you will see that he does these lead magnets almost every week, and they have ranging between 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 comments. And he has a tiny account compared to mine, so it works for him as well because he just knows the playbook and he's just executing on this every single time. So guys, if you got to the end of this video, the next step what I want you to do is secure your spot below, because you need to make sure that everyone in this workshop can get airtime. Like, I'm not one of those guys that just present to as many people as possible, sharing information and then leaving you on your own to figure it out. No, I'm going to explain a little bit, then we're just going to execute based on, or like working with some of the GPTs that we've built, some of the AI flows we've built, and to really make progress super fast. So in a few hours, you will go from, okay, I don't have understanding, or I have a little bit of understanding how these viral lead magnets work and how I can fill my pipeline with thousands of leads, to, damn, I've actually built a lead magnet, plus I've got the strategy and the blueprint and the toolkit to keep doing this over and over and over again. And that's, my friend, that's where the beauty lies. So to cap off here, and then I'm going to leave you alone, make sure to check out the rest of the details on the page below. As you can see here, Mark, he forgot some of the details. He's like, yo, and the best thing I forgot to mention, I built out an email list with almost 1,000 people in 2 months. So not just he got like the virality on LinkedIn, he got more leads, he closed deals. At the same time, he's building out his asset, which of course, in his case, because he's launching a group program every 3 months, he has an asset that he can sell to continuously. So yes, he has these viral spikes on LinkedIn, but at the same time, he's capturing demand in his email list to keep nurturing these people over time and returning that into customers, into clients. So guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I do think this can be a great fit for you. Make sure to secure your spot on the page below, and then I will see you next week, Tuesday, February the 3rd on 10 a.m. CT. See you guys. Cheers.